Glitz fam, who's ready to see what inside the September subscription box? This month is packed with exclusive gels, powder, and charms worth over $100. And plus, you could win our fall and Halloween treasure box raffle. So let's unbox together. If you are new here, hello everyone. This is Nancy. Welcome back to Glitz live videos, where you can access into so many and a thousand of videos. Let me know if you can able to hear me. I'm just adjusting the microphones a little bit. If you're not, just type like you can't hear, or if it's good, let me know. So I'm so excited. It's great for beginners and also for all is pro as well as DIY nails. Is provides so many of the really exclusive products and also variety of nail art supplies for you without breaking your bank. So let's unboxing this and welcome to Glitz live videos. If you're new here, we're doing so many of the videos to share with you all different tips and tricks. So we'll make sure that you are take advantage from that. It's all tutorials. It's absolutely free, so you can able to access into ours is videos as well. So I'm excited to September 2020 of 2025 is here, and I cannot wait for you to receive in your box. So let's unbox this. And in the box, it has some insert in there, September 2025 subscription treasure box monthly. So it has a list of all different of the items you are going to receive. I'm excited. I cannot wait. And again, a couple of the swatch here so they can do a summer design together. Let me know if yours is tuning in, and let me know if you can able to hear me. It's gonna be a great and appreciated. So September raffles is you got chance to enter to win a fall and Halloween treasure box as well. So you don't have to enter it. Basically, it's automatically enter. So your order number on the subscription box, which is sub with no obligation and with the confidence, and you will get chance to enter to win a fall and Halloween treasure box. And the winners will be is announced on the September the 15th. So this month included is a fairy dust cat eyes, random colors. I'm not sure which one I'm getting. I'm excited for to see which one I'm getting. And then also the is 2-in-1 acrylic exclusive colors moonstone glow. And then also the 5D gels, either is you're getting a heathers or the caramel. So I'm excited to see what we are getting. And the bonus item, you get a ton of like end caps glitters, and the end cap fine eye sheets, crystal charm mix, flower charm mix, habs, and the the spheres, charms, and then handcrafted 3D flowers and charms, trendy nail stickers, and another trendy nail stickers with is cute leaves, and then the foil strips with the is fancy pans, and then a different random pans, and then also the is of course two pro nail files that I'm excited, and you never have too many. So, and also the code thing stands for you to use it in the futures order. And let's put it on the size for 1 second. Let's see what we are gonna dive right in and see what I'm receiving in the box. I'm excited to see, and then we can't wait to do some designs with you. So of course I got the beautiful handcrafted charms and flowers. It's gonna be perfect. You can do it with your with just by itself, or you can do it with your is crystal and any charms using your crystal trifecta application. Okay, I'm gonna put it right on the sides because we're gonna get like designs using some of them. And then, ooh, I'm getting a caramel. So then I'm gonna keep that one on the side. So 1 second, I'm gonna show you the color of it. And it's perfect. So if you are new here, is what is Glitz 5B gels is a moldable gel, so you can able to take advantage from that, and molding so many different is beautiful, from the 3D flower nail art to a lot of other 3D nail art, and it's so easy, flexible, so you can able to mold it, and it's not dry, it's not going to cure until you are done. So I can't wait to do this one with you today. Probably want to do, because I have 3 nail slots, so we're gonna do it together. And let me see, it's solids, it's not liquidy, so let me see if I can. And it's so easy to mold, and I cannot wait to do this with you. Okay. Put it in. Let me know you're getting heathers or you're getting a caramel. So I get the caramels, the colors. And then let's do in the size of this is right in front of me. So I'm excited. So this is the 3D flower charm. I'm so excited. So a lot of you are asking a request for it. So now, just in case you're loving and doing your nails or doing for your clients, you don't have is a couple of the minutes, which is that you can do that with your 5D gels. I had all the videos that we did it together. So we do pre-make it first. But on your box, you have a super adorable, cute charms already. So we're definitely going to do some things on the nails as well. Make it nice and easy. And then we have a lot of requests for adding the pearls, the half pearl for you when you're doing it with the 3D flowers nail art. So of course you asked for it and we'll listen. So here you have it. I can't wait to open this one, and then we can do it all together. And then I got also is random charm mix, different scented pieces, which is I am so excited and so happy. I cannot wait. I can't not wait to create these really cool designs with you. And it's going, I'm just touching this one, and going to the Moonstone acrylics, color acrylics. And it is, the color is really cool. It looks like a shimmery. Gorgeous. You have to see this one in person because it doesn't do it just it at all. The camera doesn't do it just it. And it's perfect. I'm going to put it on the sides. We're definitely going to swatch this one together, but I have a sample of the colors, what it look like. It looks gorgeous in person. I'm not sure it's under the camera. It's like a lot of lightings right on the top of it. So we're going to definitely swatch it together. And dramatic glitter. So it's perfect for encapsulation. So beautiful. You can do it encapsulate with your builder gels, with your gel polish, also liquid and powders, and then you can do it with the gel polish, you can do with the rubber base, and you can do with the fiber based gel polish as well. So I'm so excited. So I got this color from the Blast of Colors collection right there. And let's see what colors I'm getting on my is the gel polish, the cat eye. So we'll get random colors. So I got Northern Glitz number 8. So excited. So beautiful and gorgeous. The pigment is really sparkle, and it does really shiny. It's hard to show it under the camera, but anyway, this one, one of the videos that we did showing it, is not only is the cat eyes effect, but also is it is a reflection under the flashlights as well. I am absolutely love these colors. So I put that on the side. So we're definitely going to do that. This is number 8. And then we'll also have the fine eye sheet. I love this one. And then this is the color, so cool though. It's like have a iridescent, so you can do it. You can do on the top of any other colors on the background. Like say if you have these, doesn't matter whatever colors you have, you get a pink, blue, purples, green, whatever colors that it is gonna be, it's gonna be a perfect on that. Thanks so much for all the hearts and welcome to Glitz Live videos. Let me put it on the sides here. And then I do have 2 of these beautiful chamfer foils. So if you have so many of the chamfer foils and you're having a hard time, they're not chamfer, is for you. This is probably it's on this videos. I'm gonna show you how we can able to achieve that. Let me grab the premium chamfer foil. That is your chamfer foil the last chamfer foil gel you will ever need. So this premium iHold chamfer foil is gonna chamfer almost 99% of all your foils that you have in your collection. So you don't have to put all of your chamfer foils to waste. So 2 of this, and of course you're having your is file. It's 100 and 180, and I have 100 and 180 and 100 and 100. Let me know which one you're getting because I cannot wait. And keep in mind that the box that you subscribe, no obligations, and the is up with the confident. And also there's 2 super cute sticker. I can't wait to use that. Ooh, I have so many ideas that I have it on my mind right now with the colors I got on the cat eyes. And also you have is your liquid powders and then your 5D gel. So let me put it together and see what I got in my box. So it's definitely, well, just like a 2-3 of these items is already paid for your box. Is already paid for your box, and the rest of them are your is bonus. Let me put it in here so you can show it better. All right, so let's see what we're getting in the box. I'm not opening it because I still have mine, so I'm going to save it because you never have too many file. And then we have is cat eyes, fairy dust. I love it, and it's beautiful colors of the moonstone glows. I'm excited. I think is one as she suggests is one of the this one is remind me of sky bling similar, but I even love the colors because it had a little bit of a shade of the soft like grayish whites, like a soft white. So I'm excited to try this one out. And then your is caramels. So I have caramels, and then if you let me know if you have heather, there's similar. One is a little bit of more of the brownish, and then the other one is more like have a pink purple. So this one is your 5D gel. So if you love a 3D nail art, this definitely is going to be for you. And then your glitters, your fine eye sheet. I love this. You can create like a ton of the designs with the fine eye sheet there. And then your stickers here. I'm trying to show how many items that we're getting here. And then your foil. And another foil. Okay. And then your 3D handcrafted flowers. And then your pearls. I love it. And then 3D charms, flower charm, and then 3D, and then there's a charm mix centerpieces. So you got good amount of your products in here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 items, everyone. And then also is automatically enter your order numbers for the subscription box will be entered for the raffle to get chance to win. You're gonna get chance to win a fall and Halloween treasure box. I'm so excited. I can't not wait to for you to receiving your box and create so many design with this. All right, so here is the box that I just received, and this is September sub box. So if you are seeing in the box and you love some of the items, or is a great a lot of different ideas for creativities for the nail art design without breaking your bank, it's going to be a great chance for you. And you sub before September 11, you're getting your September sub box. If you sub it on the 12th of September, you are receiving October subscription box. So if the box is the cycle is past, we no longer have the extra or the previous month of the sub box at all. So you love the box, give it a try. Even give it a try as one box and check it out. I cannot wait to see you in the next live. So I'm gonna end the live in shortly, and then we're gonna go back with the tutorial. So stay tuned. If you're first time tuning in, welcome to Glitz Live Videos, where I share thousands of videos with you. Whether you are beginner now tech and looking for is the careers, like serious career path for your futures. If you are beginners, or if your art is a pro now tech and then feeling is really burn out and stuck, this is gonna be a great video for you. So I'm gonna see you shortly, and if you have any question, don't hesitate to DM or reach out to us and email us at contact us via email at info@glitzaccessoryandsuch.com. And you can definitely simply sub the box. Is no obligations. It's on our official website, Glitz Accessory and Such. And you see the link in bio, and you can click on the subscription. And then don't ever afraid of it to do it, because it was definitely worth every single penny of your investment. So I'm going to see everyone in shortly. I'm going to end the live and then coming back with the next live with tutorial. So we'll see you soon. Thanks so much for tuning in, and hope you're enjoying it. If you have any questions, and let me know if you are receiving the box, and let me know what you get in the box, because I'm excited for you, and I cannot wait for you to have your hands on your box and start master your skills and take your skills and your business to the next level. And thanks so much for watching and tuning in, and I will see you in the next live. Bye.